return on capital versus return of capital, what they mean and how they are different. Hey everyone, it's Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I'm coming to you all the way from the Vatican City. It's super cool. We're in a garden within the Vatican City right now. Michael and I actually just came out of the Sistine Chapel, and it's beautiful. If you ever get a chance to come to Rome, going to the Vatican City within itself can be a whole day excursion, and I definitely recommend it. Inside, there are over 17,000 pieces of art. So even if you are not Catholic, it's like a huge museum and there is plenty to see. But what am I here to talk to you about today? So what I want to talk about is return on capital versus return of capital, what they mean and how they are different. So throughout the life of the deal, you are either getting a return on your capital or return of your capital. And those two words make a difference, and this is why. So when you have return of your capital, say you have a tent pref and you put in $50,000. Over 1 year, you will have gotten $5,000. But so then for the next year, your return is now based on $45,000. It's no longer based on $50,000. But return on your capital is that throughout the life of the deal, you will continuously receive a distribution or that preferred return of $50,000 the whole entire time. And it just makes a difference of what your return is and how it's structured. This will be clearly laid out in the PPM, in the investment summary. Definitely ask the operator so that you can know how your returns are being calculated. And it's something that you should be asking and should be aware of because it definitely makes a difference with your return. If you have any questions, please leave a comment on here and we will answer any of them for you. And if you liked this video, please make sure to smash that button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all the cool places that we adventure to and make videos at. So until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo!